Actually, this one 15, no?
15 okay ma?
15 big also, right? And then she ordered the mashed potato. Actually, if she want the mashed potato, I can ask I can ask the guy that the French fries change to mashed potato and the coleslaw.
Oh.
She didn't tell me. So I said I want the set of the sandwich. And then a la carte this one. And then she said, give me mashed potato.
Oh, that one's ordered separate.
She separated. If she telling me that she want mashed potato, then I can change the French fries to mashed potato and coleslaw ma. But she don't want. They did say. Then order again na. I don't know how much. Because if you order this one set, have coleslaw, have mashed potato. She said, I want chicken joy. They call it chicken joy, ma.
Chicken joy?
Chicken joy. The chicken. I said, chicken joy. A la carte la. 5 pieces. I'm thinking, if 3 only, kana. Because you can eat ma. Then I get, what you call that? 5. I saw just now, I heard just now inside this, have Filipino there, Philippine people.
Who?
In the Jollibee.
You vacuum your room. Very so many hair.
Even in the Philippines, ha, if I go Jollibee, I didn't get spaghetti. I like the one, the mushroom stick.
You?
Stick.
I saw the Malay guy eat the some.
The stick one? Nice lah. Chicken stick, the one chicken, not beef. Chicken, no pork also. I don't know if they have nasi lemak. I think they have also nasi lemak, right? The Jollibee.
I don't know. Let me see.
Jollibee. Now the KFC is not
Nice.
not nice. You ha?
It's all out. The taste is not like last time my father took us. Very bad.
How long already, madam?
The taste is all out.
The last time when I go back also, my younger brother kids want to eat Jollibee. I bring them to eat Jollibee.
That means you're lucky you can eat anything here.
She requests only the youngest daughter of my brother. Yeah, okay. Now the little boy requested Jollibee. Did you try the mango pie? I buy the mango pie.
I don't know.
You didn't. You try. You like to eat the apple pie of the what call McDonald. McDonald, right? Apple pie. The popular in Jollibee is mango pie. Mango and pineapple, I think they have pineapple also.
爸爸做的蛋糕好吃，吃了能忘了
刷牙。
They giving gravy a bit only, half already. The gravy here is not the same in the Philippines. The gravy very nice.
妈妈，哎，过来，怎么了？你过来，你坐这儿，我跟你聊聊。韩寒心，哎，你坐这儿呀？怎么了吗？现在就坐呀。我想问你，你怎么都不问我那件事？
那件事啊？
就上次我养丰盛叔叔。 虽然我很感激那个人陪我去医院，但是我养了他，你怎么没跟我提过啊？
我想等着你啊，等你什么时候愿意找我说了，你肯定会来找我的。但妈妈真的觉得你欠丰盛叔叔一个道歉。
那行，你先笑着等
是这样的。
到时候有时间我找丰盛叔叔再道个歉。
Guys.
但是我想问你，为什么这么久你都没跟我提过？